Fresh na fresh.
As you explore Arlen's blog, let the gentle melodies flow.
Tsaka ito, nagpihila ko na.
Soft
Konti lang
piano
ko siya, guys.
tunes
Mas marami
drift where
yung
thoughts freely go.
itong tulingan.
Acoustic
Yan,
guitar
dadalhin ko to kay
stories
bali
untold,
4 na piraso ang dadalhin ko kay
creating a serene
Mahilana.
backdrop.
sa aking
The
friend.
harmony is full.
Ito, meron pa ng
Strings of a
matambaka.
violin, a wistful
So far,
embrace.
magkikilaw kami.
In a soft,
Magkikilaw kami.
thrilling rhythm,
Ito
find
kasi
your
gusto ni,
own
ni Bolana. Ito,
The subtle hum
tulingan.
of a cello
Yan,
grounding in
tulingan.
deep,
Bibigay ko sa'yo, Day. Bolana.
woven into words
Tsaka, ito, nakadugan ko si Paco, guys. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, na
with each note a journey and inspiration anew. On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions
tanggalin
pursue.
natin ito kasi bago ko
So
lagay
let the
siya sa
music
plastic.
guide you calm
So, ganyan lang.
and warm as the blog unveils its stories, vibrant
Meeting niya
and
ba?
warm. Strings of a violin and a wistful embrace.
Pangkulan. Wala nang naman
In a
yung
soft, chilling rhythm, find your
Naubos na.
pace. The
Ngayon
subtle
lang
hum
ulit
of a cello grounding in deep,
ulam ng
woven into words
So,
where memories sleep.
alam niyo ito na. Bitin. Pero pagka, i-proceed na natin.
The subtle hum of a cello grounding in deep,
Ayan.
woven into
Hindi sila,
words where memories sleep.
masarap pa. Hindi sila, mano ba? Ayan. Linis ko siya. Uy, sirit yung mata. Nagsibot yung mata. Hingi na naman si amo ko nito kasi marami. Bukas, pagkikiligin dito.
As you explore Arlen's blog, let the gentle melodies
Hindi
flow.
na naman yun.
Soft piano
Lagi yung libre
tunes
sa
drift
amin.
where thoughts freely go.
Libre sa ulam. Resepto.
Acoustic guitar whispers stories untold,
Hindi sila kagaya sa ating
creating a serene backdrop.
yung tinta.
The harmony is full.
Sa kanila dito, tinatanggal yung tinta.
Strings of a
Sarap tayo sa may tinta,
wistful
diba?
embrace.
Sila dito, tinatanggal nila yung tinta.
In a
Tinatanggal
soft,
Tapos
chilling
lumilinis
rhythm,
na
find
linis
your
po.
own pace.
Tanggalin nila yung
The subtle
balat,
hum of a
balat,
cello grounding
balat,
in
tanggalin.
deep, woven into
Yan sila dito.
words where memories
Oh,
sleep.
diba? Ang dami. Ang dami yan, guys.
With each
Ayun.
note a journey
siya.
and
Saka
inspiration.
ibalot-balot ko na yan.
On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions pursue. So let the music guide you calm and warm
Sang.
as the blog unveils its stories,
Kasi kailangan nilagay mo sa red.
vibrant and warm.
Malinis na.
Strings of a violin and a wistful embrace.
Kailangan
In a
na
soft, chilling rhythm, find your own pace.
laman ng loob.
The subtle hum of a cello grounding in deep,
Ito, di pa tanggalan na. Tanggalan ko pa ito dito na ngayon. Yung
where memories
parang plastic na ba? Ito na tanggalan. Ito, tanggalan ito. Tatanggalan ko yun. Yan. Minsan na lang kung walang basura, inaano ko siya. Nilalagay ko siya sa freezer. Pag may basura na, kasi tatapon na sa hapon. Para tapon.
As you explore Rollins' blog, let the gentle melodies flow.
Nabibuhin ba?
Soft piano
Tagal na rin ako hindi
tunes drift where
nakakita
thoughts
kasi
freely go.
wala na rin sila walang ganong kusik
Acoustic guitar whispers stories untold,
kusik.
creating a serene backtrack.
Laki.
The harmonies fold. Strings of a violin and a wistful
Isang buwan.
embrace.
Buwan.
In
Isang
a
buwan na kainan.
soft, chilling rhythm,
Kasi isang
find
buwan
your
na ako nakakapunta dito kasi pag
The
mainit
subtle
na,
hum
sanay
of
na
a
lang.
cello grounding and
So,
deep,
yan. Isang buwan na
woven into words where memories sleep.
Isang
With each
beses na lang
note, a
napupunta
journey
dito.
and inspiration anew.
Ang beses na lang.
On Arlen's
Basta
channel,
tag-init.
dreams and
Pag
visions
winter,
pursue.
palagi siya dito.
So let the music
guide.
guide you calm and warm.
Laki ng
As the
tubig.
blog unveils its stories,
Yan,
vibrant and warm. Strings
Gusto
of
ko
a
tanggalan ng
violin
hatang kasi
and a wistful embrace. In
bibigay
a
ko to sa
soft, chilling
nagdala
rhythm,
ng package sa
find
akin
your
galing
own
sa Pilipinas.
place. The subtle hum of a cello grounding in deep, woven
Ito
into
naman yun.
words where memories
Makaril.
sleep.
Makaril. Saka yung iba naman ito, dadali namin sa church. Kasi tamba namin ba?
The subtle hum of a cello grounding and deep, woven into words where memories sleep.
Ito naman matambaka. Yan, matambaka yan guys. Sarap ng matambaka. Ano siya? Parang ihaw ba? Ihaw mo siya. Masarap. Marami pa. Hindi ko na malagay.
As you explore Rollins' blog, let the gentle melodies flow. Soft piano tunes drift where thoughts freely go.
Mag-iwan ako para dito sa
Acoustic
ulam ko.
guitar whispers stories untold,
Tapos ito, bago naman yung
creating a serene backtrack.
kain sa
The
mga
harmonies fold.
kasama namin sa church.
Strings of a violin and a wistful embrace.
Nasa, ano siguro to?
In a soft, chilling rhythm, find your own place. The subtle hum of a cello grounding in deep,
Sabi ko, parang yung bigat na yun eh.
woven into
Buwak na sa akin, ang
words
bigat.
where memories sleep. With each note, a journey and
Yan, may
inspiration.
matanda pa po sarap siya ihaw.
On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions pursue.
Lagyan mo ng malalaking asin.
So let the music guide you calm and
Matanda pa.
warm.
Yan
As the
pala.
blog unveils
Siya.
its stories,
O, diba?
vibrant and warm.
So, ayan na siya guys. Yun ang lakas ko.
Strings of a violin and a wistful embrace. In a soft, chilling rhythm, find your own pace. The subtle hum of a cello grounding in deep,
Ayan, papalabas yung isda ha. Oh, ayan. Ang dami oh. Ang dami.
As you explore Arlen's blog, let the gentle melodies flow.
Ayan siya lahat guys.
Soft piano tunes drift where thoughts freely go.
Ang dami.
Acoustic
ayan ang
guitar
sounds.
whispers stories
Ayan, papakita ko
untold.
sa inyo. Yan. Para
Creating
kung
a
nagtitinda ng
serene
isda na.
backdrop.
May
The
puset,
harbor is full.
may matambaka,
Strings of a
may
violin
makiril, at may silingan. Ano, di ba? Oops, tumatalib.
in a
So, ayan na siya guys.
soft chilling rhythm.
Tatanggalan
Find
namin
your
yun
own
ng
pace.
ano,
The subtle
Lasang.
hum of a cello
kaya
grounding
nilabas ko
and
lang siya
deep,
kasi linis ko sa blade.
woven into words
Tatanggalan na
where
namin ng lasang.
memories sleep.
With each note a journey
Fresh,
and
fresh, fresh.
inspiration
Oh,
anew.
diba? Hindi na ako bibili ng isda. Uy, maraming isda sa
On
kadagatan.
Arlen's channel, dreams
So,
and
hanggang
visions
dito na lang
pursue.
guys. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.
So let the music
Hanggang
guide
sa
you
muli. See you on my next video.
calm.
Bye-bye
As the blog
everyone.
unveils its
Bye.
stories, vibrant and warm.
Strings of a